Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you the fastest way to tie your shoes. This will be a very simple tutorial and I'll be showing you a method that I use to tie my shoes really quickly. Let's get right to it. You have two laces and the only skill that you really need to know for this is how to tie a loop. Basically how to tie a knot. So we have two laces, okay? I'll show you slowly and then I'll show you much faster. You're going to take the left lace, place it over the right lace, just like that. Then bring the left lace, the one that was on the left before, underneath and through the loop. Just like that. Then pull on both of them. And we've now tied a little knot over there. Now we're going to take our index fingers, lift them up like that, and grab them. So we now have two hoops. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to tie a knot with these. So I'm going to put the left one over the right one, just like that. And then I'm going to bring the one that was on the left underneath, over and underneath through this little hole right here. Pull it out, just like that. Boom, it's done. It's literally that simple. Now I'm going to show you how fast you can do it, okay? Very simple. Grab two laces, tie a knot, just like that. Make two loops, tie a knot with the two loops, just like that. Very simple. And you can actually adjust it just like this. You can pull on the laces to adjust the sizes of the loops right there. Now, one other thing that you can do if you want to make this even tighter is you can do a double knot. So to do a double knot, you take what you've already done, which is a single knot, and you're going to take both of the loops right here. Once again, you're going to grab them like that. You're going to tie them into a knot. So take the left one, put it over the right one, and then the one that was on the left is going to go around and through the hole. Pull on both of them. And now you have a double knot. You can't undo it when you just pull on one of the laces. To undo a double knot, you're just going to sort of untie it with your hands like that, and then you're back down to a single knot. You can just pull it to undo it just like that. So once again, I'm going to show you the fastest way. Are you ready? Here we go. Take the laces. Left one goes over the right one. And then the one that was on the left before goes around and through the hole. Just like that. Tie it. You've now tied a knot. Grab your index fingers, lift them up so you have these loops right here, and then grab the loops just like that. So I now have two loops in my hands, as you can see. Take the left loop, put it over the right loop, okay? Once again, then take the loop that was on the left, wrap it around, and then pull it through. Tighten it up just like that, and make any adjustments that you need to. That's basically it. In this video, I have shown you the fastest way to tie your shoelaces. It's literally that simple. You can do it really quickly. It's mindless, and you really don't need to know anything other than how to tie a knot. And then you can make any adjustments that you need to once your shoelaces have been tied. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe. Let me know what you think about this shoelace tying method in the comments section down below. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up for me showing you the fastest way to tie your shoelaces. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.